All right, ladies and gentlemen, 68, we say it is the aggressive support for day traders. If you took profits and wanted to re-enter, looking for the 74 and a quarter target, 74 and a half to 75 and a quarter. Anybody that believed in the cigar trade, congrats. I've got target one today. Technically at 75 and a quarter, but showed you the measure to get to the 74 and a quarter, 74 and a half. And I will tell you this, once you see the boys in action and you understand their targets, it helps you to identify where support is likely to be. Took out the overnight high, and that is stayed as support. We said use the 68 for your support for this target if you want to take an aggressive day trade, because that's the way a bot is going to think. $74 and a half I've got as the target we said a few minutes ago. That should be the first 74 and a half to 75 and a quarter. That's your primary target. Above that, good fortune, including that 76 plus. This is a squeeze trade. And this chart has helped see that. Pull back into the green line and said just like the other day with a 42 support. Once it reversed itself, you could feel the push. And we've moved stops up ever since. So 65 stop should now be at 68 for swing trades. And don't give it too much. We're coming into the end of the morning session. Make sure you're paid. We should get some chop for a while, but we're going to keep 68 as support for now. Great trade if you got it. If not, keep studying, keep learning. I think maybe next time around, instead of the day trade for dollar course, maybe we'll do something that has to do with swing trading. Zeke, I know, was out of here early today. He said around 11:30 he'd be gone. I said I'm going to work the morning and then we'll see what happens. I may make a post or two this afternoon, but more than likely this is a good way to end the day. Take a little time to do some other things. So anybody that's into this 74 and a quarter, 74 and a half targets, make sure you get paid. Don't give back 5 to make, one more. Bring your stops up or just capture it and relax. Squeeze trade. Do not have a demon for the day. I like today the 74 to 75 target, but as a resistance target, meaning I wasn't thinking too much beyond that. I do have other numbers above that, obviously, that I'd be looking for. But I think for the morning trades, good enough if you get to the 74 to 75. Beyond that, I think thin ice. I'm just thinking conservatively that somebody wants to grab some profits. And that last tick or two usually gets you in trouble. Don't have to short, but you should start to think about tightening up and taking profits. Good morning. It's been a good morning, especially if you took the half gap trade and then you reverse and you got the idea of the support to come back. Even if you thought just range trade, still a great morning. Anybody who wants that 74 to 75, give it about 5, 10 more minutes, and then good time to take a break, take your walk, do whatever.